Ladies and gentlemen, it is now time for our first title fight of today's event. It is for a K1 WKU English Championship bout. This contest will consist of 5 1.5-minute rounds. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome first, fighting out of the blue corner, Lily Mae MARSON.
Position. I'm sorry, love, I'll have to turn you down. Oh, we must be up to summer. What are the chances? Sure, it's more than likely. I've got a feeling in my stomach.
And her opponent in the red corner, Lily Thompson.
Feel it coming in the air. Hear the screams from everywhere. I'm addicted to the thrill.
I'm ready.
It's a dangerous love affair. Can't be scared when it goes down. Got a problem? Tell me now. Only thing that's on my mind is who's gonna run this town tonight. Who's gonna run this town tonight? We gonna run this town.
We are, yeah, I said it, we are. This is Rock Nation, pledge your allegiance. Get your boutiques on, all black everything. Black cars, all black everything. And our girls are blackbirds, riding with they diligence. I get more in depth if you boys really real enough. This is not familiar, I'll explain later. But for now, let me get back to this paper. I'm a couple bands down and I'm trying to get back. I gave the grip, I lost a flip for 5 stacks. Yeah, I'm talking 5,6 shot zeros. Here the back to running circles round.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is a K1 contest consisting of 5 1.5-minute rounds. And this contest is for the WKU English title. So let's all welcome one more time in the blue corner, fighting out of Byland, Lily Mae MARSON. And her opponent in the red corner, fighting out of the Combat Academy, Lily Thompson.
So we've got Lily Thompson fighting out of the red corner, Lily Mae MARSON fighting out of the blue corner. This promises to be an absolute war.
Scheduled over 5 rounds.
5 rounds, 5 rounds of K1. Lily starts straight away.
They're very experienced.
They've been around a long while, these two girls, and clapped up some fantastic wins under their belts. Clean fighters, but they know how to dig down and really pull it out of the trenches as well.
Definitely.
You interrupt us. You ready? You want to be first? Nice. Jab right hand. Nice. Jab ball.
You can see Lily Thompson, she's just weighing up the front hand. Just
Both
sizing
girls
each other up.
trying to weigh each other up.
You ready again?
Nice movement, nice work from both girls so far.
Nice, Lily. Now fire. Nice, Lily. That's it, keep her there. You school it, you work. Nice, it's over, Lily. That's it, you're scoring well. Now fire fast as knee. Nice, lovely.
Thompson's just consistently pushing that hand, trying to feel the distance of the fight.
Nice, now. You ready, build up? Nice.
Lily Mae's
Lily's
keeping a
there.
very good distance.
Two left, stop,
And
Lily
the defense, good guard as well.
Lily Thompson definitely the more busier fighter in for this first half of the round.
Nice.
Nice work from both girls there.
Beautiful
Lovely
check on
low
the
kick
end
to
there.
finish the fight.
Beautiful check.
The round.
That was a clean round. Clean round. I think both girls worked hard. You obviously had Lily Thompson controlling the distance really, and then Lily MARSON sitting back waiting for the counter, but kept a nice hard guard. So she was taking a lot on the hands. What's your thoughts?
I agree. I think Lily was busier. I think both girls were landing clean. I did like how Lily May was countering everything Lily threw back. It was a good round for both girls.
It's a good round for both girls. I'd say so, definitely.
That's it. Finish with a kick, no matter if you miss. That's it. That's great. Now build. Nice.
Beautiful right hand by Thompson.
And again, build that back on top.
Lily May just a bit static on the footwork there.
That left kick works. Nice. That left kick's working now. We'll set it, remember.
Lovely mix of the kicks there by Lily May.
Nice. Nice, Lil. That's great work. Put some power into them shots now, Lily. There, neat. Nice.
Lovely inside work. Finished with a leg kick there from Lily May.
Nice, Lil. Now, nice.
Lovely right hand there from Lily Thompson.
Nice.
See Thompson's really starting to up the pressure on this in this round. Just a lot busier with the combination work.
Yeah, she looks like she's found a range now.
Definitely.
Now,
Beautiful work there. She pushed Lily May back.
Now work.
She's landing beautiful low kicks on the way out as Thompson finds that distance on the way out. She's landing a beautiful low kick just to finish the exchange. But it's definitely Thompson starting the exchanges.
Yes, definitely.
That's a good round, but I would definitely lean towards Thompson on that round. She just seemed stronger on the front foot. Yes, she was getting tacked with the low kicks on the way back, but it's a strong round.
Definitely. Especially when she backed her up. She had a couple of really good flurries with her hands, and then the kicks on the end.
Yeah,
I think I'd like to see some more hands off Lily May.
Yes. I think Lily May could just do with upping the combination work. She's probably not doing enough work on the inside.
It's a lovely, beautiful combination on the front foot there from Lily. And again.
That's better, Lily. Now you're strong, lovely.
It's a nice spin off there. She's upping the combination work on the inside, definitely. Starting with the low kicks and then moving towards the knee. It's a good set.
Yeah, she's just outworking Lily May at the minute. Both girls have nice variation of mixing it up with the legs.
Yes.
Leg, body, head, leg, body.
The leg work from Lily May has been very, very clean. It's landing all the time. It's just that exchange in the middle of the park. She doesn't seem to be filling the gaps where...
Just needs something before and after that leg kick.
30 seconds left. Nice, Lily. Lovely time. Now stay strong now. Yeah, you start working that body kick again. Yes, Lil. Yes, Lil.
You've got Lily May MARSON as a shorter fighter, but she's standing off at distance, where really she needs to be on that inside.
She needs to be on the front foot, putting the pressure on.
Yeah, definitely. So that's another good round to Thompson.
Another, yeah.
Just to let you guys know, I'm joined here by Alexis Kima. I'm Richard Todd of WKU. Alexis Kima of West Martial Arts. This is a 5-round K1 British kickboxing bout. really, I see it. You see that the control of the fight starting to move in Thompson's manner. She's cutting the corners of Lily and really trapping her in the corners against the rope.
She just looks so relaxed.
Yeah, she looks so relaxed, very in control. Okay, better. So we've got Lily May starting to really push forward now. Here's the front kick. Okay, Thompson responds.
Yeah, it's better from Lily May pushing forward.
Yeah.
I do think both girls are still landing really nice and clean.
Yeah, the combinations are beautiful.
Lovely work there from Lily Thompson.
Sleeving exchange there. The referee's allowing that inside work as long as they're finishing without the break.
Yeah, she's just landing her shots, getting out, straight back in, landing her shots and getting out.
Pick that pace up now. Fast lads. Nice, there. Back leg. Nice.
Again, really nice work in the corner there from Thompson.
In the corner again, just holding her there.
20 seconds now.
It's clear that Lily May MARSON, she looks better when she's on the front foot rather than on the back foot, because she does land beautiful, clean combinations, but the control of distance and the cutting of the ring that Thompson's applying here, it's effective.
Definitely.
Thompson clearly started to run away with this now. I think Lily May MARSON came out the round very strong. She looked like she was ready to turn the books on the bout, but those towards the end there.
Just the clicks.
It's much better work there from Lily for the start of the round. And again, Lily Thompson just backed her up.
Nice. Be strong though, remember, plant them feet.
She's still on that back foot. Oh, beautiful
Lovely
combination
there. It's
Lily.
better from Lily May at the start of this round.
Straight away, she's standing her ground and just keeping her trapped.
Nice. Build on top of that,
She's keeping that middle of the ring. Always in the better position is Thompson during this fight.
Perseverance. I mean, Lily MARSON's landed some beautiful shots in her area. She hasn't moved. She's just continued with her tactics of standing in front and just leading the exchanges.
Yeah, Lily May is struggling to push Thompson back.
Yeah.
Even when she is landing, it's one step back, straight back in.
Bill. Yes, Bill. Nice.
I think only a stoppage is gonna force
20 seconds now. Nice.
Force a win for Lily May MARSON at this stage of the fight. She really needs to dig in and push.
10 seconds now.
Yeah, she needs to grip down on that gum shield. And
She starts shoulder beautiful, skinny hooks it there. Your thoughts, Alexis?
my thoughts, I think it's definitely Thompson's. I think the positioning, the combinations, the mix between lead rear on the legs, the hands. I think she was just too much pressure for Lily May. I think Lily May, in my opinion, I've seen better than that.
Yeah,
I think, but I just think Lily Thompson there was just clean and crisp.
I think the impression based on the first round that Thompson came out with the goal of just pushing her back. of pushing her back, and that was clear. He seemed to show in the fight and almost draining her confidence as the fight went on. But Lily May, she still had that in her sleeve to really give a good combination and deliver clean, effective shots. I just think the perseverance of Thompson played a big role in the fight there.
I definitely think, like, with Lily May's counters with the low kicks were lovely, but it just weren't enough.
Yeah, definitely. It was just that the flow of the fight and the cutting, staying on the back foot, limited what she was able to do. And
Definitely.
Thompson definitely went out with a plan and capitalised and really took this clearly. So.
This contest was for the vacant WKU English K1 title. And after 5 rounds, the judges have reached a unanimous decision. To the winner, in the red corner, Lily Thompson! And a big round of applause, please, to her opponent, Lily May MARSON.
Come back from this loss. Probably more of a mental thing than anything. But we have a new WKU English champion in Lily Thompson from Combat Academy. Amazing performance. Amazing.